Welcome to your 9-minute full body HIIT workout. Today we are gonna push ourselves with 3 rounds to challenge our body and get our hearts pumping. In the first round, we'll work for 40 seconds and then take a 20 seconds break. In round 2, we step it up to 50 seconds and just 10 seconds break. And finally, in round 3, it's all about pushing through with a 60 seconds of work and no breaks in between. Give it your all and remember, you can do this. You made it through all 3 rounds. You have pushed your body and got a solid workout in just 9 minutes. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's all about effort, and I think you gave it your all today. If you enjoyed this workout, I would be very happy if you would click on the subscribe button for more, and I hope I see you next time for another killer workout. Bye!